नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद. In the name of Allah Almighty, who blessed us with faith and made us the Ummah of Holy Prophet and made us the student of Mutakallim Islam, Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Ghumman. My honorable chief guest, respected teachers and my classmates, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to my respected teachers and Mutakallim Islam Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Ghumman for providing us such wonderful environment. And now I would like to express my heartfelt thanks again for joining us live. My respected teachers and dear brothers and my fellows, Mutakallim Islam Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Ghumman is such a personality. It would not be wrong to say about him that there are people for love him in the every corner of the world. My mentor, Mutakallim Islam Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Ghumman says, the religion of the Islam is the name of 5 things. Beliefs are the part of the Islam. Worship is also the part of the Islam. Morality is also the part of the Islam. Society is also the part of Islam. Just as my mentor services are available on the every part of the Islam, on the actions, my mentor services available. On the beliefs, my mentor services available. On the society, my mentor services available. On the morality, my mentor services available. My mentor Mutakallim Islam Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Ghumman is an expert in the knowledge of Al-Kalam. That's why he knows at Mutakallim Islam in all over the world, because he explained the beliefs in the simple and 2 common words and the people like it. Now the question is that why Mutakallim Islam choose Ilmul Kalam? Why Mutakallim Islam choose the knowledge of beliefs? There are many answers of this. One of these is that the beliefs are the fundamental in the religion of Islam. It means that our actions will not be acceptable without the correction of beliefs. If our beliefs are correct, then our actions will be accepted. But if our beliefs are not be correct, then our actions will not be acceptable. That's why my mentors, Mutakallim Islam Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Ghumman, choose the Ilmul Kalam and the knowledge of the beliefs. Now the next achievement of my mentors, because the topic of today is that the services of Mutakallim Islam Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Ghumman in all over the world. Secondly, I would like to say that my classmates, my mentor Mutakallim Islam Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Ghumman has done so many much work on the beliefs, and it will be remembered and appreciated until the day of judgment. And it is also acknowledged by every person. It is acknowledged by every institute from Darul Ulum Deoband to Darul Ulum Karachi. Next, my respected teachers and dear brothers, my respected teachers, the next achievement, the next service of my mentor Mutakallim Islam Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Ghumman is that where you are sitting, where you are visiting, where you are listening, it is also the result of the hard working of my mentor Mutakallim Islam Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Ghumman, which name is Markaz Ahlus Sunnat wal Jamaa. And the next great achievement and the next great service of my mentor Mutakallim Islam Maulana Ilyas Ghumman is that to prepare such these peoples as the companions of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, took the religion of Islam from the Holy Prophet and reached all over the world, reached from in the every corner of the world. Just in the same way, my mentored student took the education of the beliefs and reached in all over the world. You see whether it's Canada, America, Italy, Germany, Turkey and the United Arab Emirates, you will find the education of my mentors Mutakallim Islam. You will get the educations of Mutakallim Islam. You will get the students of my mentors Mutakallim Islam Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Ghumman. And the next achievement of my mentor Mutakallim Islam, the next service of my mentor Mutakallim Islam Maulana Ilyas Ghumman is that my mentor give us the such teachers who treated us like their own children, who treated us like their own children, corrects our mistakes, encourages on our success. And the next achievement and the service of my mentor, Mutakallim Islam Maulana Ilyas Humman, is that your speeches and the statements you had, it is also the result of my mentor, Mutakallim Islam Maulana Ilyas Humman. And at least at the end of my speech, I would like to say, Allah Almighty, Allah Almighty, protect my mentor, Mutakallim Islam, from the evils, and continue the grace of my mentor, Mutakallim Islam, until the day of judgment. Now I would like to conclude my speech with these golden words: pray even words fail to follow. Pray even words fail to follow. Allah understand what your heart wants to show. Thanks for listening.